Hello, good evening to everyone. Today I am going to say something about the molecular basis of cancer. How the cancer is occur. There are the various causes of cancer. That everybody know that details regarding the cause of cancer by the how the DNA damage occur, what are the physical agent, what are the chemical agent, how it expose and cause the mutation in the gene, and there is the alteration in the gene and cause the cancer. The proto-oncogene, mainly the proto-oncogene and oncogenes. The proto-oncogene is the normal gene, oncogene is the gene that causing the cancer, and there are the various causes of oncogenes, like the point mutation, chromosomal translocation, gene amplifications. These are the various causes of oncogenes, and there are the various type of gene. The example of the oncogenes, for example, RAS, MIC, RAT, SAR, which are some are located in the nucleus, some are located in the cytoplasm, and some are located in the cell membrane, and they has the different specialized products. Some are produces the protein kinases, some are produces the tyrosine kinases, and some are produces the platelet derived growth factor. And there are these oncogenes can be suppressed by the tumor suppressor gene. This tumor suppressor gene which suppresses the tumor. For example, I can say P53 gene, that is the phosphoprotein 53. It has the molecular weight 53. If there is the mutation in the P53 gene, then what happens? There is the DNA damage and there is the mutations, and finally it causes the cancer. For what cancer mostly occur by the P53 is the colon cancer and breast cancer. And there are the another gene is called retinoblastoma. The retinoblastoma mutation causes the retinoblastoma, the cancer. And there is the another gene called BRCA. BRCA is also divided into two parts, BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene. This cause the what happened? This gene helps us in the DNA repair mechanism and prevent the cancer. But if there is the mutation in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutation, there is the inhibition of the what happened? There is the inhibition of the DNA replications, and finally it causes the genomic instability, and this genomic instability causes the cancer. So these are the various loophole for causing the cancer. And not only this, if there is the mutation in the P53 gene and there is the activation of the P21 gene, and this P21 gene activation causes the inhibition of the cyclic dependent kinase, and finally that inhibit the inhibition of the cell division. And if there are the two things we have to remember in the retinoblastoma. The retinoblastoma, that is called phosphorylated and unphosphorylated. If there is the unphosphorylated of the retinoblastoma, there is the inhibition of the elongation factor 2. The inhibition of the elongation factor 2 means what happened? There is the transcription factor. The inhibition of the transcription factor causes the inhibition of the transcription. Finally, if there is the inhibition of the transcription, it inhibits the cell division. If there is the no attachment, or if there is the phosphorylation of the retinoblastoma, there is the no attachment of the elongation factor. This elongation factor, stimulation of the transcription factor, and stimulation of the transcription factor cause the stimulation of the or more cell division is occur. Finally, it cause the cancer. So these are the very basic mechanisms for causing the cancer. Mostly we have to remember that cell division occur by the elongation factor. Elongation factor cause the transcription. This transcription cause the increasing the mRNA and translation, and it cause the more protein synthesis, and finally the cell uncontrolled proliferation of the cell is occur, and finally cause the cancer. This is the basic molecular mechanisms which cause the cancer. So the step by step we have to know regarding the molecular mechanisms and how it is occur, what are the various factors responsible. We have to know details later. I hope this small short video make you something knowledge regarding the molecular mechanism of cancer. Thank you so much for your kind attention and passion. Thank you so much. Thank you all.